Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. Today I will show you how to create a 3D model from the existing 2D drawing with the help of FreeCAD tools like Extrude, Pocket, and Fillet. This is the exercise for today. We convert this 2D drawing step by step into this 3D solid part. Here you find the steps and the tools that I used to create this 3D solid part. First, click simply this button to start the FreeCAD workspace and to create the parametric solid part. In step 1, we sketch the position 1 profile on XZ plane and create a solid part with the Extrude tool. Activate the Sketch tool and then select the XZ plane. Next, sketch the circle profiles with a radius of 18 and 25 mm at the origin. Now, sketch the small circle profiles with a radius of 6 and 12 mm at the distance of 100 mm. Sketch two lines near the circles and then constrain them tangential to the circles. Next, remove unnecessary edges and curves with the Trim tool. Now, we sketch circles and lines at the distance of 8 mm to already created geometries. Constrain this circle tangential to the lines. Now keep a distance of 8 mm between the two circles. Next, create a circle or a curve with a radius of 26 mm at the origin. Now, remove again unnecessary edges and curves with the Trim tool. Let us add a fillet with a radius of 5 mm to the corners. Constrain the lines to parallel and then add dimensions to them. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then set the option symmetrical and the length to 60 millimeters. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. In step 2, we sketch the position to profile and then we remove material from the created part with the help of the pocket tool. Activate the sketch tool and then select the XY plane. First sketch roughly half of the shape of the profile with the polyline tool and dimension it later. Now, let us add dimensions to the sketch. As you see, half of the sketch is full constrained. Now, we mirror the full constrained sketch about the horizontal axis. Remove unnecessary edges with the trim tool. Next, add a fillet with a radius of 10 millimeters to the corner. Now, we sketch a centered rectangle with the bigger dimensions. The size of the centered rectangle should be greater than the size of the full constrained sketch. Select the outer sketch and activate the pocket tool and then set the depth to 50 millimeters. Then set the mode to symmetric and the length to 50 millimeters. In step 3, we add a fillet with a radius of 2, 10, and 20 millimeters to the edges. Now select the edges and then activate the Fillet tool. In the dialog window, set the fillet radius to 20 millimeters. Next, add fillets with a radius of 2 millimeters to the other edges. As you see, the 3D solid part is finalized. That is for today. Follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.